welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry about the background noise, but anyway, in this video, I'm going to be sharing some random facts about me, and I'm really excited for it because this video will help you guys get to know me better. So not that anyone cares of, but anyway, I'm going to share it with you. I wasn't able to put together all the facts by myself, so मैंने अपने थोड़े close friends और cousins को भेजे कि please share some facts about me, like what you observe या वैसे कुछ. So these contain all the embarrassing, cringy and interesting facts. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. I'm so excited and so nervous. Fact number 1, I'm really nervous when it comes to public speaking. Like I can't do it.
Get some help.
In my first YouTube video, I guess, मैंने बोला था कि I'm very nervous and shy speaking in front of a camera or to a lot of people in general. So yeah, that's fact number 1. I would rather get hit by a bus than go and give any public speech out there. Okay, fact number 2, I prefer watching series over movies any day, anytime because movies देखना मुझे थोड़ा boring सा लगता है because I personally feel that movies एक stretch में देखना पड़ता है and I'm really bad at binge watching. And series भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम पास करके देखती हूँ but I love watching series. मुझे space related देखना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. मैंने 2 movies देखे थे, Interstellar, Gravity, and उसके बाद I watched 2 series, Lost in Space and Away, lockdown में ही, and it's so interesting. I don't know why, but वो बाहर का unknown mysteries and all. And if I get a chance to go to space any day या फिर ऐसे chance मिला तो मैं पक्का नहीं जाऊँगी. The next fact is I love astrology. I love reading horoscopes. I don't know if I actually believe in them or anything like that, but it kind of excites me, I can say. Also, मैं खुद का ही नहीं बल्कि मेरे friends and close people जो है सबका पढ़ते बैठती हूँ. Also, I'm a Libra and my birthday is around the corner. Okay, so the next fact is that I got a very mixed music taste. मैं कोई specific genre को stick नहीं करती हूँ, but I have very weird song obsessions, I can say. It really depends on my mood what kind of song I love to hear. So that's the reason maybe that I could not be able to share my playlist with anyone in general because that would be weird. Okay, coming to the next fact. ये मेरे friend ने मेरे को भेजा है and I don't know how to share it, but it's I'm really bad at responding to flirting. Yeah, that's true. मुझे I don't know how to react to it. I rather change the topic or just send that smiling or laughing emojis. So yeah, that's how I respond to flirting. So the next fact is that I think this fact is important for you guys to know as well because I'm a really shy person in person and I do not open up or speak until I'm a bit comfortable or anything. So people usually think that I'm egoistic or rude. बहुत attitude है इससे सब, but that's not true. In case you guys get to know me well, you would know that ऐसा नहीं है.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, so the next fact is that this was suggested by my cousin and I think it's true. मैं सबके सामने शरीफ बनती हूँ but जब भी एक गाना है जो it's a Bhojpuri song तेरी आँखा गायो काजल, I'll just put up a clip over here so that you can see. तो उसका अलग रूप देखने मिलता है and that's actually true. So embarrassing it is. Okay, coming to the next fact. I think most of the girls do this, but मेरे हाथ में हमेशा आपको 2-3 rubber bands दिखाई देंगे, not specifically scrunchies, just normal rubber bands, and every day at least I lose one of them. So I keep 2-3. Coming to the next one, this is kind of surprising to me right now because I used to be so sincere at school. I used to be an introvert. I did not like to mingle with a lot of people and I used to mostly be by myself. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा studious थी मैं, which I think I'm not right now. I've started opening up and interacting with. So yeah, that's a lesser known fact. Coming to the next fact, this is kind of I don't know, but I love pineapple so much and उसका smell that जब भी मैं ऐसे रास्ते पे चलती रहती हूँ and I find a pineapple vendor sitting over anywhere, I just stop there and वो smell is so close to my heart. It lifts my mood in some kind maybe. So yeah, that's a fact about me. The next fact is that I prefer sunsets over sunrise because I'm not at all a morning person. मुझसे कभी जल्दी उठा नहीं जाएगा, and that's the reason I like miss most of my morning lectures and classes. I do not actually regret it. Okay, so the next fact is that I'm a sneaker person. मैंने ये अपने पहले वीडियो में भी बोला है. I would always prefer shoes over anything else, not heels, nothing, just shoes. And मेरा बस चले तो मैं ट्रेडिशनल पे भी स्नीकर्स पहन लूँ. So yeah, the next fact, it's that मैं ऐसे कुछ किसी को कुछ समझाते टाइम like in person, I'm like मतलब बहुत मिच करती हूँ, and my friends find that annoying, I guess. Yeah, I'm trying to like control doing that. So that's again a fact. Next fact, I don't know if anyone could relate to me isme, but I love cleaning my wardrobe, like organizing it. You know, whenever I'm stressed or I feel low, तो मैं सब छोड़ छाड़ के I go and just put all my clothes down and just start setting it up, and it's kind of therapeutic for me. I don't know why, but yeah, it has always helped me. So yeah, that's a fact. Okay, coming to the next fact, I really believe in Lord Ganesha, and I have like a little idol of him. I see to it that I carry it like everywhere. I don't know, but you know, whenever I pray to him and all that, it actually comes true for me. So that's, I think, a blessing. I'm grateful for that. The next fact, I don't know if I should share this or it's anything like worth sharing, but I kind of embarrass myself a lot, like all the time. I don't know why, but yeah, that's true. The next fact, it's kind of like a weakness more than a fact, but I trust people easily, and I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but at times बहुत भारी पड़ जाता है. Trust me. Okay, so those were some random unknown facts regarding me. I hope you guys found it interesting. Also, maybe let me know if you could relate to any of it. And yeah, that's the way I am. Okay, so if you guys like the video, please let me know. Also, suggest me if I could do anything more related to these kinds. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Plus, I'll be coming up with more videos as always. It's getting a bit darker, I guess. I'll see you guys soon.